Hello, kids. I think you know about me. Come on, guess my name. Yes, my name's B and my sound's B. Move your hands in the air and say B, B, B. B, B, B. Come on, dear friends. Let's talk about things starting with the letter B. B. Beer. It's a bear. It's a brown bear. It lives in the jungle, in the mountains. Bear likes to eat fish. B. Bat. I play with a bat. My bat is made up of wood. Dear friends, do you have a bat? Kids, I do not play all the time. You know, I'm very fond of study. My book is my best friend. B. Book. Book is the best fellow. It gives knowledge, and I take great care of my books. Do you take care of your? Oh, kids, excuse me. I forgot to tell you how to write B. Come on, let's write B. And this is the small b. The baby has many colorful balloons. B, baby, B, balloons.